Hi everyone, this is Krishna Rao, Maths IIT faculty. Today you have to discuss, this is the last topic of number system, laws of exponents and powers. See here, first one is here bases equal means powers you have to add it. Here one base a power m into a power n. Here bases equal means powers you have to add it. Here a to the power of m plus n. Next second one is here a power m into b power m. Here bases different but powers also equal means you have to write two bases same power. Next one is here a power m by a power n. Here bases equal but it is also in division means you have to write this one is a power m. This is you can write 1 by a power n. Again this one is write as a power m. Here 1 by a power n is write as a power minus n. A power minus n. Now this is rewrite as bases equal, again powers you have to add a power m minus n. Okay, here concluding, here a power m by a power n, bases equal, then powers you have to subtract. Next one is a power m by b power m. Here different bases having same power, then you can write here a by b whole power m. Next, here a power m whole power n is write as a power n whole power m or a power mn. Next one is a power 0 is equal to 1. How it is means you have to write here 2 power 1, 2 power 0, suppose 2 power 0 means 2 power 1 minus 1 you can take here. Here 2 power 1 means 2 power 1 into 2 power minus 1. Again this is write as 2 power 1 by 2. This 2 cancel means 1. This is a power 0 is equal to 1. Next one is a to the power of n. A to the power of n. A to the power of n is write as a into 8 up to son n times. Next one is a power minus n is write as 1 by a power n. Now we have to discuss last exercise 1.6. Okay, exercise 1.6 first problem, find. First one is 64 power 1 by 2. If you don't know means how to do means you have to factor this is 64. Here 64 means here you can write here 8 into 8. 8 into 8 means here 8 how many times? 2 times. 8 square whole power 1 by 2. 2 to cancel, answer is 8. Next second one is 32 power 1 by 5. Here 32 it is right as here 2 1s are 2 6s are 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Here 2 how many times? 1 2 3 4 5. Then this is right as 2 to the power of 5. Then 32 instead of you have to write 2 to the power of 5 whole power 5. Here a for m whole for n, a for mn. 5 cancel, then 2. Next third one is 125 power 1 by 3. Here 125 also you can write here 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. Again 5 5s are 25. 5 how many times? 1 2 3. Then this is right as 5 cube. Here also 125 instead of you can write here 5 cube whole power 1 by 3. 3 3 cancel, this is 5. Note down this one. Next second one, find. Second one first one is find 9 power 3 by 2. Actually this 9 is right as 3 square whole power 3 by 2. A for m whole power n is equal to a for mn. A for m whole power n is equal to a for mn. Then this one also write as 3 power 2 into 3 by 2. 2 to cancel, 3 cube. 3 cube means 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Next one is second one 32 power 2 by 5. Already we know that 32, now only we written 2 for 5 whole power 2 by 5. Here this 5 cancel, here 2 power 2. 2 power 2 means 4. Next third one is here 16 power 3 by 4. Then the 16 is right as 2 power 4 whole power 3 by 4. 4 4 cancel, 2 power 3. 2 power 3 means 2 into 2 4, 4 2s are 8. Next fourth one is 125 power minus 1 by 3. Here now only we return this is 125 is 5 power 3 whole power minus 1 by 3. Now you can write here 5 power 3 into minus 1 by 3. Here 3 cancel, then 5 power minus 1. Here 5 power minus 1 is write as a power minus n, then a power 1 by a power n. This is also write as 1 by 5. Note down this one. Next one is third one. First one. Here 2 power 2 by 3 into 2 power 1 by 5. This is looks like a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Then here also bases equal, powers we can add 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. Then here 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5 add separately. Here LCM is 15, 2 5s are 10 plus 3 1s are 3 is equal to 13 by 15. Then this is also write as 2 power 13 by 15 or 15th root 2 power 13. You can write this like also. Okay. Next second one is 1 by 3 power 3 whole power 7. Here a by a power m whole power n is equal to a power mn. Then 1 by 3 power 7 into 3 21. This is the answer. Next, note down this one. Next third one, 11 power 1 by 2 by 11 power 1 by 4. Here also a power m by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. Here 11 power 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. Write here separately 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. Take LCM 4. 2 how many times? 2 times. There is 1. Here 1 by 4. Now this one is write as 11 power 1 by 4 answer. Next last one is 7 power 1 by 2 into 8 power 1 by 2. This one is looks like a power m into b power m. It is write as ab power m. Here also 7 into 8 whole power 1 by 2. Then this is 56 whole power 1 by 2 or root 56. Here some extra questions we have to discuss. If x is equal to 2 plus root 5, then find the value of x square plus 1 by x square. Then first we have to write here 1 by x. 1 by x is equal to 1 by 2 plus root 5. Now you have to rationalize the denominator. Then you can find the rational factor. Here rational factor is 2 minus root 5 by 2 minus root 5. Now write this one 2 minus root 5 by here a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. Then this one is write as 2 minus root 5 by 2 square 4 minus 5. This square root cancel. Then this is write as 2 minus root 5 by minus 1. Again this one multiply with minus numerator denominator means root 5 minus 2. This is 1 by x. Now you have to take 1 by x plus 1 by x whole square. What is the formula? Here x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 into x into 1 by x. Now x plus 1 by x. What is the value of x here? Here we have to find separately. X plus 1 by x is equal to x value is equal to 2 plus root 5 and 1 by x value is root 5 minus 2. Root 2 to cancel. This is 2 root 5. Now x plus 1 by x instead of you can substitute here 2 root 5 whole square and here x square plus 1 by x square 2 to cancel plus 2. Now this is 2 square 4 5s are 20. This square is belongs to both numerator these two terms. Then here 2 square into root 5 whole square. This 2 and this side minus 2 is equal to x square plus 1 by x. Here 2 square 4 this root square cancel 2 square 4 5s are 20 minus 2 is equal to x square plus 1 by x square. Here 20 minus 2 is equal to 18. Then this is x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 18. This is the answer. Note down. Okay, next question. If a and b are rational numbers and 3 plus root 8 by 3 minus root 8 is equal to a plus b root 8. Then find the value of a and b. See here, 3 plus root 8 by 3 minus root 8. First you have to rationalize the denominator. First you have to write the rational factor 3 plus root 8 by 3 plus root 8. Now see here, this is a plus b, here also a plus b. A plus b whole square. Root 3 plus root 8 whole square. By here a minus b, here a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. Root 3 whole square minus root 8 whole square. Now we have to write this one is a plus b whole square formula. Here a plus b whole square formula is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then you can write here root 3 whole square plus 2 into root 3 into root 8 plus root 8 whole square whole by this is a square minus b square, root square cancel, then here 3 minus 8. Now this is rewrite, here root square cancel, here root square cancel, here 3 plus here 2 into root 3 into root 8, 3 8s are 24 plus here root 8 whole square means 8 by this is minus 5, then 3 plus 8 11 plus here this one is write as 2 root 24 as you can write by minus 5. Now what we will do? Actually here you have to observe I made a mistake here. Here there is no root. Here there is no root. Here also. Then here 3 square is 9. Here this is 9. 3 square is 9. Here 2 into 3 6. 6 root 8. Now correct this one is here. 9 plus 8 17. 17 this one is 17 plus 6 root 8 by 1. This is 1. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. Now see here. Here this is 17 plus 6 root 8. This is looks like which one? A plus b root 8. Here comparison the here either terms a, here a is equal to 17 and its b coefficient is 6. This is the answer. Note down. Next problem, if 2 by 3 whole for 6 into 9 by 4 whole for 5 is equal to 3 by 2 whole for m plus 2. Now see here, this is 2 by 3 whole power 6 into 9 by 4 whole power 5 is equal to 3 by 2 whole power m plus 2. Now very easy this one is right as 2 power 6, here 3 power 6. Next this is 3 square by 2 square whole power 5 you can write here. Here 3 power m plus 2 by 2 power m plus 2. Now see here 2 power 6 by 3 power 6 into this is 3 power a for m whole for n, a power m and 5 to 10, 2 power 2 5s are 10 is equal to 3 power m plus 2 by 2 power m plus 2. Now see here numerator is 3, here denominator is 2, then here you can write here 3 power 10, here a for m by a for n, a for m minus n by here 2 power 10 minus 6 is equal to 3 power m plus 2 by 2 power m plus 2. Now see here 3 power 10 minus 6, how much? 3 power 4 by here 2 power 10 minus 4, 2 power 4 is equal to 3 power m plus 2 by 2 power m plus 2. Now here 3 by 2 whole power 4 is equal to 3 by 2 whole power m plus 2 as is equal to here. Bases equal, powers also equal. Then this 2 send this side. M is equal to 4 minus 2 is equal to m value 2. Note down. Next problem, if root 2 is equal to 1.4142, then find the value of root 2 minus 1 by under root 2 minus 1 by root 2 plus 1. First we have to take root 2 minus 1 by root 2 plus 1. Here rationalize the denominator, rationalize factor root 2 minus 1 by root 2 minus 1. Here plus means we have to take minus. Then now numerator multiply means here root 2 minus 1 into root 2 minus 1, root 2 minus 1 whole square. This is a plus b into a minus b means root 2 whole square minus 1 square is equal to root 2 minus 1 whole square by this is 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Then root 2 minus 1 whole square. 2 minus 1 means 1. This value you have to substitute here under root. Here under root of root 2 minus 1 whole square. The square root cancel means here root 2 minus 1. Actually root 2 value already given. 1.414 minus 1 is equal to 0.4142. This is the answer. Note down. Okay, next problem. Express 15.712 in the form of p by q where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. See here. This one is I think fifth problem. First you have to take given number is rational number is x is equal to 15.712. Here which number is recurring as given means 1 2. You have to write 1 2 1 2 1 2. This is equation 1. Now how many decimals as given the bar means you can check here. Here 2 digits are given means you have to multiply either side with 100. Then here 100 x is equal to 100 means here 2 decimals it is also moving right side. Here 1571.2. Thereafter you have to take this is a recurring point as is you can write. This is 2. Next equation 2 minus equation 1. Now 100x is equal to 1571.212122 up to so. Next here x is equal to 15.71212 up to so. Now you have to separate this one. Here up to here same numbers so you can cancel it. 2 minus 7 means here 12 minus 7 5. Here 0 means 5. Here 6 minus 1 5. Here 5 5. This is equal to 99x. Then x is equal to 155.5 by 99. This decimal also you can remove means 1555 by 990. Note down. This problem shortcut you want means first you have to write given number 15712 as it is. Then how many numbers has not given the bar you can check it here. Here 1 2 3 that one you have to subtract 157. Thereafter here how many digits has given bar you can check. Here 2 digits means 2 nines as it is you can write. After decimal how many digits are there? 1 then you can put here 10. This is the shortcut. Then here 15555 by 990. This is also same answer. Next problem, simplify 25 whole power 3 by 2 into 243 whole power 3 by 5 into 5 whole by 16 power 5 by 4 into 8 power 4 by 3. Now it is also very easy. First you have to write here 25 is write as 5 square and 243 is write as 243. Here this is a 7 cube. Or if you don't means you can write here 7 3s are 21. Here not 7, here 3, not sorry, this is 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3, again 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21 and 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 1 2 3 4 5 times, 3 power 5 times. Next one is 16 is write as 2 power 4, next 8 is write as 2 power 3. Now you can substitute each and every value, very easy. 5 square whole power 3 by 2. Next 3 power 5 whole power 3 by 5 whole divides 2 power 4 whole power 5 by 4 into 2 cube whole power 4 by 3. Now 2 to cancel, here 5 5 cancel, 3 3 cancel, 4 4 cancel. Now rewrite 5 cube into 3 power 3 by 2 power 5 into 2 power 4. Here 5 cube means 5 into 5 is equal to 5 5s are 25, 25 into 5 125 into this is a 3 power 3 means 27 whole by here 2 power 5 32 into here 2 power 4 16. Now you have to multiply these two. then you will get the answer. Here also 2, here also 2 means here simply don't write this one. Here bases equal, powers also added. 4 plus 9, 4 plus 5, 9, 2 for 9. Now you have to multiply. Here 125 into 2, 7, 7 5s are 35, 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 3 17, 7 1s are 7, plus 1 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 5, 2 1s are 2, 5, 7, 13, 3. Here this one is 3375 by 2 for 9 is how much? 576. Here 2 for 9. 2 into 2 4. Here 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here actually 2 for 10 means 1024 by 2 means 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 512 by 512 answer. Next problem, this is 7th I think. Simplify 81 by 16 whole to the power of 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4 into bracket begin 25 by 9 whole to the power of minus 3 by 2 divided by 5 by 2 whole power minus 3. First we have to take this one. Here this is A divides B, then it is written as A by B. Then here 25 is written as 5 square by here 3 square. First we have to take here 25 by 9 whole power minus 3 by 2 divides here 5 by 2 whole power minus 3. Now this one is written as 5 by 3 whole square whole power minus 3 by 2 divides 5 by 2 whole power minus 3. Now this 2 cancel, then here 5 by 3 whole power minus 3 whole by this one 5 by 2 whole power minus 3. Now this is rewrite as here 5 by, this is going to numerator means plus 5 by 2 whole power 3 by this is 5 by 3 whole power 3. Now this is write as 5 by 2 by this is reciprocal 3 by 5 whole power 3. 5 by cancel, then 3 by 2 whole power 3. Next we have to take this is total. Here 81. 81 is 81 by 16 into this total, instead of you can write here 3 by 2 whole power 3. Now this is whole power minus 3 by 4. Now this one is write as 3 power 5. 3 for 5, 81. 3 3s are 9, 9, 3 for 4. 3 for 4, this is 2 for 4 whole power minus 3 by 4 into 3 by 2 whole power 3. Here, if 3 by 2 whole power, this is A power m by B power m. You can write here 4 whole power minus 3 by 4 into 3 by 2 whole power 3. This 4 cancel. Now 3 by 2 whole power minus 3 into here 3 by 2 whole power 3. Bases equal, powers we can add here. Here 3 by 2 whole power plus 3 minus 3 is equal to 3 by 2 whole power 0 is equal to answer 1. Answer 1. Next one is simplify 4 plus root 5 by 4 minus root 5 plus 4 minus root 5 by 4 plus root 5. Here this problem you have to do it two methods. First one is you have to take LCM and you can simplify. Second one is you have to take separately and rationalize the denominator. Okay, here two methods we have to explain. First method is you have to take LCM 4 plus root 5 by 4 minus root 5 plus 4 minus root 5 by 4 plus root 5. Here take LCM is 4 minus root 5 into 4 plus root 5. Now you have to cross multiply. Here 4 plus root 5 whole square plus here 4 minus root 5 whole square. Now this is A plus B whole square formula. A square plus 2AB, A square plus 2AB plus B square, or otherwise simple. I will tell one more. Here this is A plus B. A plus B whole square plus A minus B whole square. Listen, here A square plus B square plus 2AB. Here a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now which terms are cancelled? 2ab terms are cancelled. Then this one is a square plus a square, 2a square plus b square. Then this is also write as 2 times a square means here 4 square plus root 5 whole square. By this is a plus b into a minus b, 4 square minus root 5 whole square. Now 2 times 4 square 16 plus root 5, root square cancel 5 by 4 square 16 minus 5 is equal to 2 into, here this is 21 whole by 16 minus 5. This is a 11. Then this is 42 by 11 answer. Here second method how to do, listen, second method. Second method, first you have to rationalize the denominator, first one 4 plus root 5 by 4 minus root 5, rationalize the denominator 4 plus root 5 by 4 plus root 5 is equal, this is a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square means 4 plus root 5 whole square by, here a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, 4 square minus root 5 whole square. Then this is 4 plus root 5 whole square by, here 4 square 16 minus 5 is equal to 4 plus root 5 whole square by 11. Next we have to take this one 4 minus root 5 by 4 plus root 5. Here also rationalize the denominator 4 minus root 5 by 4 minus root 5. Now this is a minus b whole square formula, root 4 minus root 5 whole square by, here same 16 minus 5 11. Now you have to take whole term means here 4 plus root 5 whole square by 11 plus 4 minus root 5 by whole square by 11. Already now only I explained a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square formula. Here 2 times a square plus b square, a square plus b square by 11. Here this is 2 times 16 plus 5 by 11. Here 16 plus 5 21. 2 times 21 by 11 is equal to 42 by 11. Both are same answer. Okay, next problem is I think this is 8 or 9, don't know. Okay, right, if x is equal to 1 minus root 2, then find the value of x minus 1 by x. First you have to write the 1 by x. Here write its reciprocal 1 by 1 minus root 2. Now you have to write here rational factor 1 plus root 2 by 1 plus root 2. Now 1 plus root 2 by, here a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square is equal to 1 plus root 2 by 1 square is 1, square root cancel 2. Then 1 plus root 2 by minus 1. Then here minus common 1 plus root 2 you can write here. Now x minus 1 by x you can find here. X minus 1 by x. X value 1 minus root 2. Here minus, this is a minus. Here x, here minus, and this is also minus. Minus into minus. Here minus of 1 plus root 2. Okay, now see here 1 minus root 2. Here minus into minus plus 1 plus root 2. Now this root 2 root cancel 2. Now x minus 1 by x whole power 3 is equal to 2 power 3 is equal to 8 answer. Okay, thank you watching each and every children. I hope that I explain each and every type of problem and extra problem also. Okay, any doubt means you have to personally have to send any doubts. I will explain each and everything. Okay, thank you. This chapter complete.